Hey coders, today we are jumping straight into the one of the core concept in Java, arrays. No fluffs, no frills, just straight into it. Before we start, just a quick note. It's important that you are already familiar with the basics of Java like variables, data types, loops, methods, functions, and basic input-output operations. If this sounds familiar, then you are good to go. If not, I just suggest reviewing them quickly before continuing. An array in Java is like the row of boxes, each with unique number, that is indexes, where you can store data like 2, 6, 3 and 9 of same data type. Arrays allow you to store multiple values in a single variable, that is num, making it easy to manage lists of data. There are two types of arrays: single dimensional and multidimensional. This is the single dimensional array. Here, how we initialize it. As of now, don't worry about the next line. We will cover that in upcoming few minutes. So this is this two-dimensional array with 3 columns and 2 rows, which have the unique indexes. If you want to access this B, it is present in the first row and the first column of the matrix. Just have a note that the indexing in Java starts with 0, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Here also the indexes start with 0, 1, 2 and the column is column 0, column 1 and column 2. These are the array elements. So this is how we initialize the matrix, or we can say two-dimensional array. Let us understand some array operations. So to perform array operation, just quickly dive into the VS Code. This is the main class and this is the main function. We have initialized the array. For suppose I need to access the element 20. So we are going to access it by writing array of 1. Okay, so let's print it in the console. So if I run this code, in output what I get is 20. As you can see here, it is 20. Okay, if I want to modify that element, like instead of 20 I need 100 as the element. So what I do is array of 1 will be equals to 100. Here I modified the value. If I print this, copy and here I'll paste and I just comment out this line. So here you can see 100 as the output as the array of 1, array of first element. So if you need to traverse the array, like you have to print 100, 20, 35, 50 and 15, means you have to traverse the whole array. What simply you will do is, you will apply the for loop for int I equals to 0, I less than array dot length and I plus plus. Simply I'll print the elements like system.print. I'll print I. Means initially the I is 0. When I is 0, the 10 is printed. The I will be incremented to 1. Then the 20 will be printed. Just print it out and see what will be the output. So here you can see 10, 100, 35, 50 and 15. If I just need them in the single line, I'll remove this ln and then I just print it down. See, but there is no space in between the elements. What I'll do is I just add the space. Now you can see the array clearly: 10, 100, 35, 50 and 15. This 100 is I have printed before array of 1. Okay. Element of an array. So here we define the array with the elements 100, 200, 500, 800 and 900. Okay. So abhi अपन को we have to find the max. So what we'll do is we store the array of 0th index in the max variable. मतलब max variable में array of 0th element store करा है, and we iterate the array from first index. Int I equals to 1, I less than array 1 dot length I plus plus. Okay. So what we do is we write the if condition. If array of I is greater than max, इसका मतलब अभी array of 1 से iterate करा रहे, तो here this will be 200. It will check 200 is greater than 100. Yes, it is. So what we will do is we reinitialize the max, like max is equals to array of I, and again it will go to the loop. This time I का value is 2. Okay, so abhi array of 2 is 500. The 500 is greater than 200, right? Then this condition is true. So max variable will be updated by 500. Likewise, it will check for 800 and 900 as well. So this is the code to find the max variable. Now I am printing the maximum element. So let's run the code. So the output should be 900. See, the maximum element is 900 is printed. That's the introduction to arrays in Java. We have covered what they are, how they often use, and some common operations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'll be covering lead code question related to arrays. If there is any specific question you would like me to solve, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.